Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still fairly wet. I didn't blow dry it or nothing. Your hair has to be damp to use this no heat curler for your hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use it today. It's my first time using this, so I'm going to use it with you guys and we will see what results it will give us. It does come with instructions, and it comes like this with a clip, this thing, and two separate scrunchies. I believe you just we're gonna try it like this, and it's holding. Okay, and then what you're supposed to do is, you saw I had parted my hair kind of down the middle, and so that's to like have it even on both sides. And what it says to do is just wrap it around this and then use the scrunchie to tie it at the end. So we will try that. Let's see. So this is a no heat curler, and you can actually, you're supposed to like sleep in it for 6 to 8 hours, right? I am going to the store, so okay. So we got that side done. I don't know, we'll do the other side now. I'm in the store like this, see? Okay guys, so it's the next morning. Look how this looks after sleeping in it. I have to hurry and get ready as there's a lot of snow outside. So we're just gonna take this off real quick. It did something. Oh my gosh. Look at the ends on this side, guys. Oh shit. They don't look good at all. I think this was a fail. But, you know, we can fix it. We can fix it. Brush it, maybe? I don't know. Like, this looks so bad. Do you guys not see this? If I wrapped the ends of my part maybe better, it would turn out. Because look at that curl in the center. This side's almost good. Like, look. Actually, this side is kind of cute. So, look. I think it would have worked if I wrapped the ends more tighter and better. It's kind of cute. But this side, I don't like it. We have to fix this. I'm going to try this hair product again. And we'll see if we can wrap this side better to get a better result, okay? But yeah. Okay guys, so this is going to be my second attempt at using this hair tool, and I'm hopeful that this time I will get it right. Didn't see my hair is split right down the middle, so it could be even as well. So I do have really thick hair, and I just got out of the shower, so my hair is fairly wet, which I think it needs to be for it to work. I think if you have not so thick of hair, you can do this on damp hair, you'll be fine. Okay, so to do this, we're going to start with this side and wrap around here. But don't get that scrunchy too much tight on the ends, because that's how I got that really weird look last time. So here's the other side. Okay guys, so let's check out the results. I slept in this, if you can't tell. So we'll start with this side. Let's do this side. Yeah, it really created these real nice curls at the end. But only... Okay guys, so I'm at my first break at work. My hair has like relaxed and everything, and this is what it looks like. I actually don't think it's that bad. I actually kind of like it. Like, it's kind of cute. Hey guys, so I'm at work still. I thought I'd just end the video here. I'm at my lunch break now, so you know, it's been a couple hours since I've had my hair like this. So now my thoughts on the heatless product that I use. Do I like it? Does it work? My answer to both of those questions are yes. And the fact that I just slept and I woke up with this hair, I love that a lot, because my hair, with it being so thick, it takes a lot of time and work to make it look cute. So I really think this technique is helpful with my hair, where it's very naturally pinned straight. So adding some cute curls with no heat is amazing. So as well, with my lunch at work today, we got our Christmas dinner, and so they offered me ham or chicken parmesan. The chicken parmesan, it had cheese on it. It looks so good, but in all honesty, I love ham. So I got ham, beautiful roll with butter, and these potatoes. These potatoes look so good. They're cheesy, like hash brown potatoes, and of course some salad. So yeah, my work does Christmas and Thanksgiving dinners, which I think is really great. So hey guys, so I have some food from Panda Express, and it's my first time trying their new Beyond Orange Chicken. So it's supposed to be no meat, all plant-based, and it is right there. So I'm gonna try it today for the first time with you guys. So here we go. It's actually really good. Like, it doesn't taste different than the other orange chicken. It's just feels more like solid and like thick, if that makes sense. Like more um put together than like the other orange chicken, where I feel like it's kind of like a solid piece of beyond orange chicken. I don't know. So if you guys were ever wanting to try that beyond orange chicken, I would say go for it. It does not taste bad. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my YouTube video, and I hope you enjoy my heatless technique I showed you today. I hope you enjoy all the hair tips I give out on my YouTube, and if you do, please drop a comment to let me know. Give me some feedback, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!